Today is Molly's birthday. It's Molly's birthday, everyone. Bought Molly a birthday present and we're excited to give it to her. Did you miss me, darling?
Yep.
Guys, we're here at the Labour Club and I also brought banana grams. So we're on Facebook Morning, guys. Oh my gosh, why do I always look like that? Today is Molly's birthday, so I came to pick her up. We're going to Darnell's game first. I don't know what plan she has or if her man's gonna take her out or not. Who knows, but we'll wait for her to tell us and let us know. I'm running super late because I went to the farmer's market this morning with Uelese. And so, yeah, I called Molly and I was like, Molly, where are you? She was already on her way to Darnell's game, but I told her to turn around. Where is she? Hold on a second. She just texted me. She said, hold on a second. What? She's actually going to kill me when she sees this. It's Molly's birthday, everyone. Oh, you're so dark, Molly. Can't even see you in here. My battery's flashing. I got another one in my pocket. Hold this. Oh. Guys, just ran to the car. I beat these two slow pokes.
Hey, no!
I did.
No, we beat you first.
Put your seatbelts on. Put your seatbelts on.
Ah!
What?
Helps the team
Is he alright?
to play really well so that they can win when they have to play. You get fit so that when it
Why will he be out for 2 weeks?
their team will win.
Oh. Alright.
I played for like 2 seconds and I got taken off.
Oh, well, you played for that Al?
Yeah.
Why did you get taken off?
Oh, because I don't know. Oh, I went on and then I got the ball a couple times and then I just went off. Because their teammates, because I'm their coach, one of their players to play.
Bye.
Guys, so the sisters bought Molly a birthday present and we're excited to give it to her. She actually has a Dell at the moment and she's always asking to use my MacBook, so we got her own. I'm excited to give it to her, so I'm going to go in and hopefully we get a good reaction. Molly, I'm taking this one straight back to the shops. We're going to give Molly her present now.
No.
Huh?
We're going to give it at dinner time.
Oh. Yeah. Dinner tonight. I can't wait that long. I need to tell her right
You
now.
gotta relax.
When's are we doing dinner?
Maybe. We got her a MacBook.
What?
Look now. A new laptop. Oh, well, guys. Plans ruined. I guess I have to wait till dinner time. So we're finally on our way to dinner now. We're going to the Burns Club. It's the all-you-can-eat. And I came home first to get ready and also to see my baby boy. Pick him up. I haven't seen him all day. I've been out all day. Did you miss me, darling?
Yep. Miss you.
Anyways, I'm just excited to have some dessert, have a little bit of food. I haven't been to Burns in a long time. It's very impromptu, very...
When's the last time we go there?
Guys, we're here at the Labour Club. It was... we were literally on the highway going to the Burns Club. Then we get a text saying, actually, no, it's at the Labour Club, so we had to do a big UE, come all the way back here. It was just so much drama. We were already having drama deciding where in the first place. It took us like half an hour to decide. Then when we finally decided, ended up doing a big UE back around. Got Uelese at the back there. And I also brought banana grams. So my brother Silla, when he came down, he brought this game, not this exact one because my sister-in-law and brother took that one, but I went to Kmart and bought myself another one. So we're gonna play banana grams. I highly recommend it for like a family game. You can get it from Kmart. It's $25. It's pretty much like Scrabble, but like a better version of Scrabble. So yeah, it's called banana grams. darling.
Darling girl, we're ordering. Come on.
Shut up. Hey, daddy. Hey, mom. Give 5. La wala kui oi poko. Sa oi omi Facebook nga le hai ngofo nga o tia omi pula me. Hey, darling. Princess. Say hi. Tell them your name. Shh.
Just gonna hit my body.
My arm's connected to my arm. We're playing out CTO, guys.
What do they do with the baseball?
No, you're not playing
The pitcher. What?
it's me and them versus us two.
Yes.
Oh, Molly, it's mine and Daniel's turn.
Come on, Daniel.
Now,
You better get.
night before you go to bed, you say The action of affection when you have the lips. Give me a. Give me a.
Kiss.
No, that's use the word. Oh,
Mickey, don't give up.
do your ruffle.
Mickey's sad.
No, I'm gonna do it to Chris.
No, can I do the thing?
No. You're definitely not doing food. Guys, I've got my food now. I've got a butter chicken.
Food, bro.
Everyone's got their food now. How's the food? Molly, what did you get? A laksa? Oh, that looks so good.
A Malaysian black soda.
Can I share?
Yeah, sure.
But I don't want you to share with me. I'm so full, guys. I just had my butter chicken with rice. Thanks, Molly, for chatting. Booyah, boy, wah. Malielo, omi.
Lanshan.
Level already, don't matter.
Alright, happy birthday,
Dad.
Molly. Thank you for shouting out dinner tonight. We have a special present for you because you're very special. And this is from all of us, I guess.
Really?
Oh my
gosh! Just sprinkled my eyes! Oh my gosh!
That's not good enough.
You better go and eat,
Sao đêm mà đi no. Cái này nó không cạn miệng hả? Huh? Yes, Molly. Yeah.
Thank you so much for my gift. Oh my gosh, I'm like, I really want to cry, but I can't
Hey,
cry.
fix these things and
I
then
don't
do
know
it again.
why, the tears are just all right now. The river's running dry. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much to my sisters, my dad. Dad, did you pay for this as well? Yeah. Thanks for my dad, for my gift, and
He has no idea.
yeah, my brother and Ingrid, and even this little
Soiny.
Okay, thank you. That's it. Thanks, guys.
How old are you?
I'm waiting for all your gifts too. I'll tell you the address you can send it to. If you want to send
How old are you now?
18.
What's your birthday message for Molly? Your auntie Molly.
Love you, Auntie Molly, and hope you had a good birthday today. God bless you, Molly. Love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for coming to my life.
Oh, don't see her too high. She might spew. She might spew. You touch. Baby son. Princess. Hello, princess. Oh my gosh. Mea ke fefe ise. Ako wo ko tina. Awe ia ve ko fanga. Ko oi per fale.